Hi everyone, welcome to a new video. Today we're gonna show you how to what to up to up to put water on your meter. So man, now what happened is there are two meters. There's this old meter and the new meters. I think it depends also on the company using. But I would find out, I would say most people are using the same company. So the meters are like this. So once you go to your app, go to your banking app, put in the meter number. Sometimes some people can write for you the meter number at the back of the machine. Get me? So once you get it, then you can use that or call that company. But like you see on this one, they never wrote anything because it's new. I don't know, but it's me maybe to write it. So now what gonna happen? Go to your banking app or go to these shops or ShopRite or you save whatever. Pick and pay. Give them their meter number. Pay. After paying, depends how much you pay. You can start from even 20 rands you buy. So but I bought electric water for 500 rands. So now we have two meters. I really don't like this old meter. I love the new one. This one, the buttons, like sometimes you press and nothing comes. It was overprotected. I think it's waterproof and all that. It's very difficult for me. But anyway, the new one is crazy. It's good. Once you press this guy, it shows you what you have. I have that the second one that's saying like I have 20. That 20 means 0.20 means I have 200 liters, and 200 liters it's equivalent to 20 rands. So now I bought for 500. So it if you use your standard bank, it comes in form of what an SMS. If you use Capitec, you can also, the good thing about Capitec app is like you can also have the history of the same voucher. Maybe you forgot it or whatever, and also you have option to share on WhatsApp. You can share it to someone else, then you are good to go. So this time I bought using Standard Bank. Standard Bank, after buying with Standard Bank, it gave me this guy. So once it gave me this guy, look, I spent, what is this? Okay, they charged me 70 rands. That may be taxes and all that, but I paid water for 500. You can see 500 up here. So after that, this long number, which says 5.4, 0 KL, maybe it's kilowatts. So that means I have 5,000. I've bought 5,000 what liters. So then what you do, exactly this number, which you see there, you can say 3225539 then you go like 5 3, then touch the screen so that doesn't switch off. 538787, then you go 7308412. After that you press the red button. It's gonna show like error. If it's confirmed, you're gonna see what it's gonna do. Yeah, it's a, you see confirmed. When it's confirmed, then it shows you what it gave you. It's 5.4. Okay, you can see also it shows you the tab. So it means you're done with loading your water voucher. So now you can see it's 5.4. Yeah, that's it. Well, that's cool. And on this meter, I won't show you because you keep on pressing this arrow or whatever, then it shows you this. It's really very crazy, but the only thing about it, it gonna be reflecting your meter number all the time. When you see that's the meter number passing, also it shows the water here and all that. If you get a voucher, then you can punch in the voucher, but the buttons are crazy. I really don't like it. So I love the new meters they brought for us, and I hope guys this is very important to you. Let's hope we see you in the next video. If you have some questions, you can ask. Also, they have a number of which I don't know if I can get you that number. That number you can call it like 24/7 almost. They are really so helpful. They also have a WhatsApp number. Let me see if I can get it. Let me see what I can get for you. Let me try to see. Guys, I'm trying to get you this. I hope I get it. Okay. I think they call themselves New Horizon. I think so. No, it's not the one. I think I got a wrong number, but you can Google based on the company using. Maybe you can check them. Yeah, you can Google. Some things are written on your whatever. But yeah, thanks for watching. Hope to see you in the next video. And I hope this helped, guys. We're gonna do other videos, maybe how to put on electricity and stuff. But these guys for the water, they are very good. If I remember, unfortunately, I can't remember their company. But that company, whenever you call it, even if it's after hours, they're gonna respond to you. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe.